cheaper ones. Moving time. God, I'm having anxiety. Like, I don't want to move, but I have to. And I don't know if I'm the only one that anytime I just get used to a particular place, I don't like leaving that place. We are going to another apartment that is close to my school and that of my baby. So I want to be showing you guys my packing process. Like, I have a lot to pack, but I'm going to do it bit by bit. I've been checking moving videos to see what I need to get that will reduce the stress and the anxiety I'm feeling of moving, as if I'm the one taking the load myself. Like, I just have a lot in my mind right now. Come, let's pack together, Jory. I'm tired. What I'm looking for is black. I want black because the oven, the gas cooker at home are all black. So I'm looking for a black fridge, and the setting is wooden setting, like light brown wood. So I either go for this kind of fridge, this color, or black. I think so far this is nice. See juicer, oh, this juicer is what I need right now. I need this juicer, but I don't have the money for now, so I'll come for it later. Would they be cheaper ones? So there are a bit cheaper ones. So guys, let's unbox some of these kitchen items that I got. This one I would like to put sugar, salt. I think salt will be too much in this, but I think sugar and crayfish. And there are six inside. It also have different name tag. So let's check what is inside this place. The next one. So I got these two containers. I want to be putting soap in it, washing plate soap and washing hand soap. And what is this? This is so nice. I got this thing too. This one will be for kitchen and this one will be for bedroom. So I got these bottles. These bottles, there are four bottles. I want to be putting oil in them. This measure, what are they calling this? This thing for oil. It came with it. These bottles also came with stickers. I need this at the bedroom so that I can just hang my sponge. Then this, after washing plates, where I will place my plates and pots so that it will dry. This is really nice. So I got towels. This towel is both for kitchen and bedroom. And also this basket for washing rice, for filtering whatsoever, for filtering both rice and anything that needs to be filtered. Yeah. So that is it. And now let me go and start placing them where they are supposed to be. I'm going to show you guys how I'll place them. So we got this microwave today, and we also got fridge, but it will be coming on Monday. It will be coming next week. And this is how the kitchen is looking right now. Maybe I'll do a house tour, or maybe not. If you want me to do a house tour, like to show you everywhere, comment on the comment section.